Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you, and this time it's a mystery box from Spectrum Collections, and it's a brand new mystery box. You might have seen previous mystery boxes I've unboxed on my channel. Always amazing value, really great value, great products, and as soon as I spotted this I had to get it. This is the perfect picnic box and I haven't opened it up yet. It arrived a few days ago, but I wanted to save it so I can open it up and share my excitement with you, hopefully anyway. The cost of the box is £39.99 and it has a value of £115. They currently have an offer on that when you purchase this mystery box you receive a free pinch pot in a shade of your choice. There's 3 to choose from, and they retail for £16.99, which is really great. I've got an affiliate code, I'll pop it on the screen, but I'll also pop it down below in my description, and a link to the actual mystery box and the Spectrum Collections website, but that will entitle you to 15% off any order site-wide. So let's show you the pinch pot then. This is what the outside looks like. I've got it in shade Playful, and this is a cheek blush. Ooh, it comes with its own little brush as well. Look! Own little brush. That's what it looks like there. Okay. Yeah, really nice. Okay, let's just test a bit on my hand. Yeah, I know I'm making a bit of a mess, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, that's a really gorgeous shade. Really pretty. So what was that again? Playful. If you were interested in this box for yourself and you fancied the same shade, that is what I chose. So got that as a freebie. So let's open this then. They do say on the website, oh, I hate these. I hate these little stickers because I can't open them. Ugh. Used a mirror to open it up. They do say on the website that inside contains 7 products and one of them is a full-size brush set. Oh, see Winnie the Pooh. I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. Right then, what's this Winnie the Pooh thing then? It just says Winnie the Pooh, Disney's Winnie the Pooh Spectrum. This is a Luxe paddle brush. Oh, a CO8. Oh, a nice big one. Oh, look at that. That is huge. That is really nice. Yeah, that is beautiful. So soft. It's really soft, but it is huge. There's that. We got some Emily in Paris facial sponges, French macarons, a 3-piece sponge set. I did a Spectrum haul a couple of months ago and I bought my daughter a Emily in Paris set, and in there had these sponges and I was like, oh, I really want them for myself, but I didn't. I ended up giving them to her and she really likes them, so I'm really chuffed that I've actually got some of my own now. So there we go. Set of 3 makeup sponges there. We have got a Disney Glowful Pixie Dust Illuminating and Hydrating Mini Mist, and this is 50 mils. It's Tinkerbell, Disney's Tinkerbell. That is really pretty. I wonder how glowy it'll be. Will it be? I absolutely love MAC's Prep and Prime, the gold lit. That's beautiful. That is so lovely. Oh, it smells nice. It does smell really nice. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Like a, I don't know, like a perfumey sort of fruity smell. You can see a slight sort of shimmer there, but it's not too in your face. It's very similar to the MAC's gold lit actually, from what I can see on my hand anyway. What it looks like in the bottle scares me. It looks like I'm potentially going to turn out like a gold robot, but no, actually with it sprayed on my hand, no, it's really nice. A bit of Tinkerbell pixie dust there. Then I got a Glowful Mini Hydrating and Illuminating Primer. I think I've tried this before. I've already got it. And I recently did hair and makeup for my friend's daughter for her for a school prom, and this is what I used as a base. It's beautiful. I really do like it. It feels amazing on the skin. It does feel really, really nice, and it just gives a very, very subtle sort of glow. You might not be able to see much. But yeah, it is a really nice primer. Next, I have got a mini dark matte black mascara. I wonder if this was in the last mystery box I had, as well as this. Maybe that's what, that's how I had it. I'm sure it's the same one. If you bought any of the Zodiac mystery boxes, which I think you can still get them on their website, please let me know, because I'm sure I got this mascara and the primer, and I'm sure I've tried this and I don't like it on my lashes. God, I really, really wish. I have got an amazing long-term memory, but short-term memory, it is annoying. It is really annoying. But I suppose because I'm receiving, testing, trying out new products all the time, yeah, I get really, really confused. Anyway, we've got a mascara, dark matte in black. Then we've got a Hello Kitty brunch menu, and it's a 4-piece brush set. Okay, there, I've just pulled the whole lot out the box. What I love about Spectrum, besides the brushes, we all know the brushes are great, but when they do collabs, like Disney collabs, the packaging is always bright and beautiful and bold, but the actual items themselves are not. This is Winnie the Pooh brush. Yes, it's yellow. Got a little bit of honey paint there, and you got a little quote, but it's not too in your face. Same with these. These are really cute. These are cute. You've got Hello Kitty written on them, and then Spectrum. And then you've got the bows then. Me personally, if I see a Hello Kitty range or a Winnie the Pooh range, I'm like, nah. It just doesn't take my fancy. Same with like Primark and stuff. I'm the sort of person that just wouldn't wear any of the Disney stuff that they've got there. It's just me, just me. They've got a load of it, so obviously a load of people buy it, as well as a load of people buy this range from Spectrum. But having said that, but the actual items aren't so childlike, you know? They are proper makeup brushes. Makeup artists use Spectrum brushes. They don't look too childish, and they don't look like they're supposed to be given to your 5-year-old niece or granddaughter or whatever. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to get at. For those of you like me who are not fussed on Disney collabs and all that, and you're not going to be embarrassed having these in your makeup collection. We've got a BO2, we've got a BO5, we've got a BO6, and I'm assuming this is a BO, oh no, this is B10. So there's those. Then the last item is a pack of original Spectrum brushes. And there's 7 brushes in here, so let's get them all out. I have got a load of brushes, but I'm obsessed with them. I love them. This is a A01, a nice big fluffy brush, a great all-rounder for your face. Then you've got an A17, an eyeliner or brow little brush there. You've got an A06, a rounded fluffy brush. You've got a B01, like a kabuki brush. Got an A05, a blush brush, or you can use these brushes for anything. It's up to you. Got an A15, which is a tiny little brush there. Got a B06, fluffy eyeshadow brush. Got a B04, an angled shading brush. We've got a B05, a nice flat brush. And lastly, we've got an A09, which is an eyeliner brush. So there you go. So there's all the products inside this new limited edition picnic mystery box from Spectrum. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got a set of 7 makeup brushes. We've got a Winnie the Pooh paddle brush. We've got a Glowful pixie dust facial mist. Got a dark matter mascara. We've got a mini Glowful primer. Got an Emily in Paris, set of 3 macaron beauty sponges, and lastly a set of 4 Hello Kitty brushes. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this mystery box? Did you order one for yourself? Are you happy with the contents? Or are you watching this thinking, nah, do you know what, it's not for me? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye!